Alright, I know there's quite a few rotor disassembly videos, but I decided to do one of my own, so here we go. Tilt the camera down so you can see. Put it open, pull this up, push the button in. I just got this, so it's kind of hard to do it at first. I guess you kind of need to break it in, I don't know. But, and then press forward. It comes out like that. And then you have that. Oh, that's a shot. Pull the tabs back. Take out that. And then the planetary gear. Cool name. I like the name planetary gear. Alright, and then put it back in. Put that in. This with the black part on top. Not the red part, the black part. And you can see antigen works really well. You put this back on, put the tabs on in there, turn on, works. There you go, put that on, front, just snap it in, take your top half, front part first, that, back in, push down, voila. Very simple.